I am very well acquainted too with matters mathematical. I understand equations both the simple and quadratical. About polynomial theorem I am teeming with a lot of news. With many cheerful facts about the square of the hypotenuse.
The line K is perpendicular. There's K and there's L. L went up 1, 2, 3, 4 and across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the line K will do the opposite. It'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 4 and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're on the line K. If you join that to that, it's the line K. But it's coming through minus 10 naught and perpendicular to L. Now the slope of L was 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The slope of L was 4 over 5. And put L is 4x minus 5y equals minus 40. So the slope of L is 4 over 5. 4 over 5. The slope of K, therefore, will be minus 5 over 4 and is passing through the point minus 10 naught. So the equation of K is y minus naught is the slope times minus 5 over 4 into x minus minus 10. Multiplying that by 4 and that by 5, we get 4y minus naught, 4y minus 4 naught is naught, equals minus 5x, and multiplying that by that and that by that. Minus by plus is minus 50. And that becomes, bringing over the 5x, I have 5x plus 4y equals minus 50. Now, you're asked to find out what, where K intersects the y-axis. Where K intersects the y-axis. Where the line K intersects the y-axis. Now, intersects means cuts or passes through the y-axis. Where it intersects the y-axis. Now if the line crosses at any point on the x-axis, that's 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6. If it's passing through the y-axis, then x is 0. So to find out when K passes the y-axis, x will be 0. If x equals 0, 5 noughts plus 4y will be equal to minus 50. That will be 4y equals minus 50. So y equals minus 50 over 4, which is minus 12 and a half. That's the point C. So we put that up there, and that's the point C. Now you're also asked for D, so that A, B, C, D completes the rectangle. And the way to do that is to move, we want to move C the same as D, parallel and equal. Same, that moved across, well, I'm saying 4 and up 5, but each of those are 2. It really moved across 10 and up 8. So this has to move across 10 and up 8 to get to the point D. We moved across, doing in the double, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 2, 4, 6, 8. But to write that down, from A to B, the movement from A to B moved from minus 10 naught to naught 8. It went from minus 10 naught, it's minus 10 naught onto naught 8. That means it moved across 10 and up 8. So now we want to move C under the same translation. The image of C under the translation AB. We're getting the image of C under the translation AB. Now C is 0 minus 12 and a half. There's C. C is 0 minus 12 and a half. So I have to move it, to get D, I have to move it forward 10 and up 8. So the point D is 10 minus 4 and a half. That is the point D. Now that we've got the point D, we're to calculate the area of ABCD. Before we got D, we're to calculate the area and find D. So to calculate the area of ABCD, we could find the length of that and multiply by the length of that. Or we could find the area of that triangle and double it. So either way, we'll go back to finding the area of the triangle ABC. A is the point 0.8. B is the point minus 10 naught. And C is the point 0 minus 12 and a half. Before I can get the area of that, I must bring 1 point to 0, 0 to get the area of a triangle. We haven't done that, so I'll just go quickly over getting the area of a triangle. And I'm only going to show you how this is done. I'm not going to explain why. Just going to show you how it is done. So if you have a triangle with a point at 0, 0, 5, 7 say, and 1, 3. You get half the positive value of the two outside ones multiplied together, 5 and 3 are 15, minus the two inside ones multiplied together. And that will be half the positive value, that's what that modulus means, the positive value of 15 minus 7. If you ended up with the minus answer, you just drop the minus. So it's half 8, so it's 4. That's how you get the area of a triangle. But if one of your points isn't at 0, 0, you must bring one of the points to 0, 0. Get the area of its image angle under the translation. We bring this one to 0, 0. So that means I have to subtract 8 from all of them. Bring them down 8. Bring each point down 8 on the y-axis. So I now have 0, 0. I have minus 10 minus 8. I have 0 minus 20 and a half. So the area of my triangle is half the positive value of the two outside ones multiplied together. Now I put minus 20 as a half as minus 20.5. And when I multiply that by minus 10, I'll get plus 205. And the two inside ones multiplied together is 0. So it's a half 205. That would be the area of the triangle, but we need to double it. So if we're doubling that, our answer will be 205. The area of the triangle is half, but we need the two triangles. So the area of the rectangle is 205. And that's the end of the 2001, was it? 2002 coordinate geometry question. Now I'm going to do the 2001 coordinate geometry question.
I am very good at integral and differential calculus.